So over here you can see that I have this note right here, and I can go ahead and simply type in my content. Let's say, for example, I can say this is a note right here. But let's say what I want to do is I want to link to other pages that I have right here. So there are some template pages that are already here. So let's just go ahead and then link to them. So to do that, you simply need to go ahead and type in, let's say, for example, slash, and then type in link. Once you do that, you can see that link to page block actually appears. So if I were to go ahead and click right here, then you can see that the different pages right here simply pops up. If you have too many pages, simply go ahead and type in, let's say, for example, class right here, just like this right here. And then you can see that classroom homepage. It is filtered out right here. Just click on it, and there you go. There's the link right here. So if I were to go and actually click, it opens up the classroom home right here. You can go ahead onto my notes again, and you can see that link is here. And that is how you can go ahead and add a link to an existing page inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.